Yo, what's going on, online family? It's Mike from HartsDesires.com, and today we are talking about lube. So we're starting to see in the stores that there are a lot of customers coming in and they're changing their lifestyle. They're changing the way that they eat. They're changing the products and the materials that they put on and in their bodies. So based on that, this is one of those lubricants right here that I wanted to recommend that you could be able to bring into the bedroom that's just going to fit all lifestyles, no matter if you are vegan or not. But this one is. So this here is the pure lubricant, and basically with this one, it's a water-based lubricant, vegan-friendly, water-based. Let's say I said water-based. I can't say enough about that. It is definitely all of those chemicals and things like that. It is free of that, so it's more of a natural type of product. Definitely more body safe, and that's the reason why I like it. All right. So as you can see, it's kind of like nice and cool. You kind of see this little decorative thing. It looked like a vulva to me. So it looked like, Miss Kitty. That's what it looked like to me. So I'm just gonna call it Miss Kitty on the label. So when you look at it, they come in three different ones. But this one right here is the original one, and it's very, very safe, very clean, nice texture. I'm just gonna pop the top. So this is the 4-ounce bottle. So you can see like how big it is in my hand. This is the 4-ounce, and it comes out. It's nice, slick. Definitely, just put it like this. It feels like more of the natural female bodily fluids. It's like one of those things that just like turn you on when you're rubbing it. So I'm sitting here rubbing on it, and it's just nice and slick. So I can still feel my fingers. So it's not thick to where you kind of have but I can still feel the coating for the lubricated portion of it. But it actually brings out my fingertips a little bit. Like I can really feel my fingers, but it just makes like a nice sexy, silky type. I can't talk for some reason. A nice, sexy, silky. A nice, sexy, silky feeling. I bet y'all can't say that like 5 times. Goodness gracious. So, but yeah, I'm definitely loving this because of this. So this is definitely, again, vegan friendly. I am using this in the bedroom, definitely for vaginal sex. Even with toys. So the fact that it's a water-based, vegan-friendly water-based lubricant, all of your sex toys are definitely welcome, no matter if it's silicone, if the toy is made out of glass, if it's made out of stainless steel, if it's for anal. You can continuously use this for all of them. For all those reasons, but I guess for anal, you will have to constantly reapply, because after a while, it definitely, will dry up, and it's, you'll have to apply more. But I'm be honest with you, this is definitely one of those products. I have used this for self-pleasure. So fellas, if you plan on grabbing this, and it's already in your house, and you're looking for a lubricant to just self-pleasure masturbate or use some of your toys, definitely one of the ones I would recommend, because it has that more natural feeling. So if you're using this with any of your male sex toys, any of the strokers, any of the bodies, definitely I would say at least grab one of these just to see how you like it and see if it performs the way you need it to in the bedroom. For me, it definitely does. So this is definitely one of those products that I will be grabbing, and I'm keep close by. Again, this right here, again, is the original version of the Sutil lubricants. I will put the link in the description below so you can check it out on HartsDesires.com and see the original gangsta. All right? So that's that. Again, I'm Mike from HartsDesires.com, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Deuces.